Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get Bloombot Chrome extension. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, I'll leave a link in the description below so you can access the correct Bloom Solana bot. So yeah, tap on that in the description below and click on Start Bot. This is going to take you to here for the first time. Go ahead and click on Start. Then it'll say, welcome to Bloom, let your trading blossom with us. Your Solana wallet address is such and such. Then from here, we want to click on to the Bloom website. And then we need to open this up. So click open. And then you'll be redirected to the bloombot.app. So I'm going to allow all. And now on this website, it will say extension. Go ahead and click on extension. And then we want to go ahead and download it or get it from the Chrome store and Sol. Or we can get it Chrome Zip or Firefox Zip, just depending. If you're on Firefox, use that. So, but I'm on Google Chrome, so I'm going to click on the Chrome store, click on Sol. Now this is going to open up the Chrome Web Store page. Then it'll say Bloom extension. So from here, we need to go ahead and click on Add to Chrome. Then click on Add extension. And then once it downloads install, click onto extensions, and here it is here, Bloom extensions. So now you want to paste in your access code and press verify. All right, so we need to go ahead and click on Get Code. And now that's going to open up your Telegram and it'll say welcome to Bloom's extension. This is your access code. So go ahead and copy this code and then come back to your web browser and then it'll say paste your access code in here, paste it, and then click verify. And then that's how you log into your Bloombot extension as well.